This is our Year 11 woodwork project. We're going to make a chest. We can also change the dimensions. If we change the dimensions, if it's going to look a little bit more like a bedside cabinet. So I'll just quickly modify these two sides. And I'll change this one too. I'll go through how to change this a little bit later. Just double check I've got the same measurements. And then I'll update it here via this little kind of update symbol. These will all kind of reference back onto that. So this is your second option, make your project taller, and we can put a solid top on it when we go to woodwork. So it's really important to be able to draw up your projects in Fusion. When we go to the workshop, we need to have an accurate set of plans to work from, so we know what size to cut every piece. I'm going to step you through how to make this project, how to make it editable, like I just showed you, so we can produce a set of plans that we can follow while we're in the workshop.